2 venti Americanas with extra steamed. You said heavy cream?
Yes, ma'am.
Gotcha. Anything else for you?
In one of those, can I get 2 of the butter packets?
2 butter packets in one?
Yep.
Alright.
That'll do it.
Okay. We're going to have a total for you at the window. Is that okay?
Alright, thank you.
Alright, thank you.
Alright, so today is the day before the marathon. And with keto, like, you backload all of your energy needs. So like what I eat today is gonna fuel tomorrow's marathon. That's the way I look at it anyways. So I'm gonna just pretty much document everything I'm eating today. I just got a venti Americano from Starbucks with extra steamed heavy cream, and I'm gonna put 2 tablespoons of butter in there, and that'll be the first thing I consume for the day.
Alright guys, so as you can see in the background, we just dropped off all of the packages for the keto bricks. They are all launched, all ready to go, no longer in our hands. Largest launch by far, and we feel pretty excited about it. It's pretty freaking awesome. So we're gonna get the heck out of here.
Okay, all the bricks have just been dropped off. If anybody has any issues with any bricks or anything, just let us know, and we'll make sure we get you fixed up. Hope you enjoy them. Alright, y'all, we are at Krebs Brothers, which is a restaurant supply store. We're going to stock up on more trays, more racks, so that we can make more bricks next time. Alright, y'all, since we were passing my uncle's warehouse, we figured we'd swing by and pick up some ingredients that we had shipped here, so that's what we're going to do right now. Good for insurance if you hit something. Still got it.
Alright guys, so we just got back from dropping all those packages off. Robert is going to have his first meal, but I'm going to show you what he's going to have. I'm just about to make it. So we're going to have, let's see. Sorry for the mess on the counter. There is 1 pound of 25 ground beef, and then the cheddar cheese curds he's gonna have just 3 ounces of. Gonna cook those up together and melt it down. Alright guys, so here it is. Finish that up. It looks really delicious and pretty cheesy. So again, 1 pound of ground beef, 25, and some cheese curds.
I just got something in the mail that I totally forgot I was getting, and this was not going to be part of my daily nutrition today, but I'm going to make it part of it because I'm really excited about this. So hold that thought. Let me show you what I got. If y'all can recall, I had a podcast with a company a while back that was all keto, wow, that chair is super low, keto ice cream related, and they sent me some ice cream. Piggy Butter. It's like a collaboration with Peterson Farms and Killer Way. So Peterson Farms, who's also on my podcast, man, I'm way too low. Peterson Farms, who's also on my podcast, and Killer Way, who was also on my podcast, they partnered up and they made Piggy Butter ice cream. So I'm going to probably let this thaw just a little bit. But check out the macros. It is 19 grams of fat, 13 grams of carbs, of which 8 are sugar alcohol, 3 are dietary fiber, and 5 grams of protein. So this is exciting. I'm excited to dive into this. But it's frozen salt, so I'm going to let this thaw, and Crystal and I will try it together. So hold that thought. Alright, y'all, it is thawed enough to eat. Crystal is coming in here. I'm not gonna lie, I took one little bite before Crystal did.
I haven't taken one.
You took the first bite.
Okay, so what is this? What is it called?
It's
Piggy Butter.
Piggy Butter.
Sounds pretty good to me.
Piggy Butter.
Alright. Gotta get a little bit of... Oh my gosh, this is gonna be bomb.
Go for it. Pretty good.
That's like... Oh my gosh.
Bacon and peanut butter and chocolate.
Like as soon as you put it in your mouth, it's delicious.
Mm-hmm.
The bacon?
You taste the bacon that much?
You have to get a chunk of bacon.
Where's
There's
the
like
chunk?
a chunk of it in there.
I thought it was peanut butter.
There is peanut butter and then there's like chunks of bacon too.
Give me a bacon chunk.
Alright.
That's bacon?
No, I already got some.
Where's the bacon?
It's already on there. There's like that piece in the front. Holy Toledo, this is so good. So you get like mostly the peanut butter and then it's like chocolatey peanut butter and then it's like, oh, there's some salt from the bacon.
Yeah. So fam?
Such a fan.
Peterson Farms Killer Whey.
Mm.
Y'all did it.
Bam. The best. The best.
The best. One more bite. One more bite. Alright.
Yum! Is this like a flavor forever or is this just like a limited time?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my gosh, if you can get it, get on it. It's the best.
Limited edition.
Limited edition.
Here we go. Alright, y'all. I just got out of the shower. I had to get all cleaned up. I was gross. Corey is here. And he's not keto. And he's going to try that ice cream and see what he thinks. So, Corey.
Yes, sir.
Here you go, man.
Wait, first we have to say that Corey's not the biggest fan of peanut butter, so he's just going to go for the chocolate part.
Okay.
Is that open?
Wait, you need a spoon.
Bet you need a spoon.
Here you go.
Okay. Moment of truth.
What's the verdict?
Tastes like ice cream. I'm gonna tell you, that is really good.
Really good?
That's chocolatey. I like it.
See, you can be keto, bro.
It could be if this is the only thing I ate.
Alright, y'all, making a sweat rag. A do-rag, sweat rag thing for the race. For the marathon. So that I can look like Rambo. Watch this. This is some skills right here, y'all. You ready? Now, I can go run a marathon. Now, let me show you what I got supplement-wise. I want to get my potassium, so I'm going to go with the Zip Fizz, because each one of these has 950 milligrams of potassium, as well as like 130 or something milligrams of caffeine. So, I'm going to bring the Zip Fizz. I've got the Keto Brick for a good fat source. I've got vegetable bouillon cubes. These have 1,050 milligrams of sodium. And then I'm bringing some BHB salts because they also have quite a bit of sodium. 510 milligrams of sodium and 200 milligrams of potassium, so this is a good option. And then I've got some of these F-Bomb nut butters in case I want to have something quick and easy. And then I'm bringing these just so I can take them in the morning like I do all my vitamins. So yeah, that's what I've got. I don't really know what I'm going to do nutrition-wise for tonight, to be honest. I'm kind of thinking that I might actually not really eat anything else because I don't want to have a whole bunch of heaviness on me. I don't want to feel heavy when I run tomorrow morning. And we start so early that I just want to avoid that. So I might just have like a keto brick and a fatty coffee and call it good. I haven't decided yet, but we'll see. Alright, I'm just having a couple bites of this sausage because it's still, what time is it, like 3 o'clock?
It is
5 or 6.
6 o'clock. I'm just having a couple bites, nothing crazy, just a little bit to fill my stomach. This stuff has got like 17 grams of fat per ounce, so it's a pretty high fat ratio compared to protein.
Alright guys, so Robert asked me to come over here and introduce that Corey and Kayla are over here. They're following us. They're going to be there at the race with us tomorrow, and they're eating crap. No. And they're trying to hide it, but you can see their their McDonald's
it tastes good.
Drinks and food, and yeah, so
we're here for moral support,
Corey
not diet
picked it.
support.
I let Corey pick, and that's what he picked, so I'm blaming it on him.
Alright, we'll let you go this time, but we'll be eating barbecue tomorrow, I think.
Yum.
Yum.
I'm down for that.
Alright, so Kayla and Corley. That's
a new one?
Yeah. they'll be with us this whole weekend, so we'll catch you later.
Oh, yeah.
Caught them in the act.
Alright, y'all, we're parked outside of a Planet Fitness. There's a Planet Fitness down there. There's a Burger King right there. And we're gonna blow up our air mattress in the back of the van. I'm gonna eat the rest of that sausage, and we're gonna see, we kinda like camp out here in the parking lot, so here we go. Alright, it's super dark in here. What we got going on? Kayla's making a cot. But y'all ain't gonna be able to see it because it's so dark. Corey's about to blow up his air mattress. Alright, now we're blowing up our air mattress. Corey's is blown up. Kayla's cot's in the back. This is a Keto Brick corporate retreat. Here we go. Alright, check this out, y'all. We got Crystal and my bed blown up. We got Corey's mattress, Kayla's cot on the van, y'all. We're digging it. We're digging it. Alright, y'all. It is the end of the night. We went to Kroger's just now and got some pickles for tomorrow's sodium intake and some earplugs to sleep in the van tonight. Crystal, you excited?
Yeah.
Corey?
So excited.
You ready to... Kayla went to 10 Fitness to brush her teeth, but...
We're living it up right now. This
Planet
is
Fitness.
the high life.
The high life. Putting this van to use, y'all. Alright, tomorrow we're running. Get ready.